Did it? Don't know what that was that fell down there. Don't know what that was.
This is more like it was the other day there, coming out to Tyree.
And sitting down there, so it was in untoward, she maybe would have said. She's sitting on the side of the fridge.
Just the
The
books.
books.
Oh, the books.
The books.
Oh, do you know what I'm like my Kindle and those books, right?
Gimbals, bookcases. Think about that. Oh, just put a door on them.
Is it still there, Anne? Thank you.
Right? Hold them on.
Matching overalls and lawnmowers.
Oh yeah,
together.
John Deere hat and
They're all straight with the same kind of outfit with the same kind of lawnmower.